In this video, I'll be showing you how to use dual camera mode on iPhone 17. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Anyways, getting into it, it's actually super easy to go ahead and do this. Now, all the 17 models feature dual capture natively inside the stock Apple camera app. This allows you to shoot through the front selfie camera and the rear lenses simultaneously, making it perfect if you're like vlogging or doing interviews or anything like that. So all you want to do firstly is open up your camera application, which is going to look like this. And then I'm going to go ahead and switch to video like so. Now, when you go ahead and do that, all you want to go ahead and do is look at the top right corner of the screen and tap the options icon, which looks like the three little dots like so. And then right at the bottom, you're going to see dual capture as one of the options. So go ahead and click on that. And then as you can see, I have my, my camera here, which is my front camera. And then I have my rear camera, which is the main one. And then, yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe and check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting as well.